Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to find out how to create and manage collections in Adalo free plan. The link to Adalo will be in the description, so make sure to check it out. First, open your browser and go to the Adalo website. Once the page loads, log into your Adalo account. After logging in, select the app where you want to manage collections. Now click on the Database tab from the top menu. To create a new collection, click on Add Collection. Enter a name for the collection and click Create. Once the collection is created, click on it to open its settings. Now click on Add Field to start adding data fields. Choose the field type, give it a name, and save it. Repeat this step to add all necessary fields to the collection. To manage an existing collection, select it from the database list. Edit field names or types if needed by clicking on each field. You can also delete unused fields from the collection if required. Once that's done, your collections are created and managed successfully. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to share and subscribe. See you in the next one.